Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to see who visits your Instagram profile. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply open Instagram. And once you open it, you should click on your profile picture on the bottom right corner. After that, you should click on the top right corner right here on these three horizontal lines. Click on it. Then once you click on it, you will now have to choose this option, Insights. You will find it in the For Professionals section. Just have to scroll down till you find it. And once you tap on it, it will show exactly how many people are reaching your account, and you can use the filter in order to see it in the last 30 days or in a specific time, for example. But you need to make sure that Instagram itself will not show you exactly who is seeing your profile. It will just show you some numbers. And there's also another method. You can simply go back and choose any video that you have, then click on these three dots on the top right corner. Then you should choose View Insights. Once you click on it, it will show you how many people watched this video and how many people visit this type of media. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.